Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a tab control that will allow you to right click and close individual tabs using a context menu strip. So let's create a new project and add a class. Call it something. Super tab control will do. And it's going to extend tab control. And we're going to have two global variables here. So private point last click pose, private context menu strip CMS, and we're going to create a constructor, and we're going to assign to CMS. So CMS is equal to get CMS. It's going to retrieve our context menu strip. So let's begin building our context menu strip. So we're going to use default constructor, and we're going to add a tool strip menu item. We got to give it a name. Close. We will be closing a tab, no image, and a new event handler. So new event handler, and we'll just leave that blank. Now we got to create our close event handler. I'll just write a blank one. So private void item clicked, I suppose. Put a little underscore in here. And object sender event args e. Okay, so that's what we want to reference. And we will return the CMS, of course. And we have to do this because we only want the CMS to appear when the user clicks certain areas, like the tab control region. We don't want the entire tab control to be able to, show the CMS. And this is the only way I could figure out how to do it, really. So on item clicked, we want to get the tab portion that has actually been clicked. In our case, it's going to be just the top tab rectangle area. So let's do that. For int I is equal to 0. I is less than this dot tab count. So for every tab, and we're going to declare rectangle rect is equal to this dot get tab rect. There it is. And we're going to pass in our tab index and check to see if rect contains our cursor. So this dot point to client cursor dot look position. So if it contains our cursor, then that means that we are currently right clicking on this index of our tab page, that this tab page is index. So that means that we want to close it because we've clicked this item. Okay, so this dot tab pages, remove that and pass in our index. Very straightforward. Now we need to write logic to actually show the context menu when we click or right click on the tab control area. Protected override on mouse click. If e.button. So we want to make sure the user's right clicking, and if they are right clicking, then we're just going to show the CMS here. Show, and it's going to show at the cursor location position. So let's try it out. So I'm going to add this tab control to my form. So I'm right clicking here, nothing happens. And when I right click there, doesn't really work out, does it? Just gonna remove that underscore. Very good. And so I right click it and it shows close on the small tab regions up here. And right click down in this area, nothing happens. Can't really close any tabs, can I? And what I've done here is I'm using the current cursor position, and that's no good, because once you move your position to hit the close button, the position is no longer going to be over the tab region. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the last click pose, and that's what we're going to do. And of course, before we show the context menu item, we want to save the last click pose. So let's do that. Cursor.position. And we won't be able to use the ContextMenuStrip show position because it changes according to, what the windows are where and where the current window is. So if I have my window all the way over here and it notices that I don't have room, the context menu is going to show not where the cursor, not where you right clicked, but a bit further left, and that won't do. So I'm going to hit close, and nothing happens. Okay. And I forgot that you still need to convert the screen coordinates to client coordinates. So point to client. Okay, try it again. Close, close. It's very good. And that's it. See you later.